Hi students, this is Rojamani HOD, Department of Computer Science. Today I would like to explain about data types in Java. First, what are the objectives of data type? The main objective is to learn the basic data type which develop the code with various data types. What is data type? Data type specifies different size and values that can be stored in the variable. Every variable in Java has a data type. Java language is rich in its data types. The variety of data types available allow the programmer to select the type appropriate to the needs of the application. There are two types of data types, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type contains integer data, character data, boolean data, float data. Non-primitive data type contains classes, arrays and interfaces. This is the flowchart of data type. Primitive data type again divided into boolean type and numeric type. Numeric type again divided into two types, character and integer data. Integer data again divided into four types, byte, short, int, long. Float also contains float data and double data. Non-primitive data contains strings, arrays and interfaces. This is the flow chart. Next one, Java primitive data type. Java defines 8 primitive data types. 8 types are byte, short, int, long, char, float, double and boolean data type. The primitive data type also commonly referred to as simple types which can be put in 4 groups. First one byte, second one short, third one integer, fourth one long. So byte occupy 1 byte, short occupies 2 bytes of memory, integer data occupies 4 bytes, long data type occupies 8 bytes. First one, integer. This group includes byte, short integer and long integer, which are for whole valued signed numbers. Second one, float point numbers. This group includes float and double, which represent numbers with fractional precision, means decimal numbers. Third one, character group. This group includes character, which represents symbols or single alphabet. Every alphabet enclosed in single quotation. Next one, boolean. This group includes boolean, which is a special type for representing true or false values. This is flowchart for primitive data type. Integer contains 4 types, byte, long, short, integer. Next group, float group. It contains 2 types, float data type and double data type. Float occupies 4 bytes, double occupies 8 bytes. Third group, character. Character, it occupies 2 bytes of memory. Every character enclosed with single quotation. Boolean. Boolean, it occupies of memory 1 byte. Boolean means true or false. Primitive data type, first one. Byte. The byte data type can have values from -128 to +128. It used instead of integer or other integer data type to save memory. Second one, short. Short data type. Short data type is a 6-bit signed 2's complement integer. Minimum value is -32,768. Maximum value is +32,767. Short data type can also be used to save memory as byte data type. A short is 2 times smaller than an integer. Third one, integer. The integer data type can have values from minus 2 power 31 to plus 2 power 31 minus 2, 32-bit signed. If you are using Java 8 or later, you can use unsigned 32-bit integer with a minimum value 0 and the maximum value of 2 power 32 minus 1. Fourth primitive data, long. The long data type can have values from minus 2 power 63 to plus 2 power 63 minus 1. It is 64-bit signed 2's complement integer. If you are using Java version 8 or later, you can use unsigned 64-bit integer with a minimum value of 0 and a maximum value of 2 power 64 minus 1. Floating point data. Floating point data types are used to represent numbers with fractional part. Fractional means decimal values. Single precision floating point numbers occupy 4 bytes and double precision floating point numbers occupy 8 bytes. There are two types, float data and double data. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit. Its value range is unlimited. The float data type should never be used for precision values such as currency. Double data type. The double data type is a double precision. Its value range is unlimited. The double data type is generally used to decimal values just like float data. The double data type also should never be used for precision values such as example 12.3, 15.1, 16.3, etc. Next one, float data type, flowchart. Float data type occupies 4 bytes. Range 3.e exponentation minus 0382 plus 3.4 exponentation plus 038. Double data type occupy 8 bytes of memory. The range of double data 1.7 exponentation minus 308 to 1.7 exponentation plus 038. Next one, character data. The character data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. It occupies 2 bytes of memory. Its value range lies between 000 or 0 to 65,535. The character data type is used to store characters. Every character variable enclosed with single quotes. The data value is enclosed with single quotes. And primitive data type, last one is Boolean. Boolean data types are used to store values with two states, either true value or false value. Summary of primitive data type. Byte data type is a number. It occupies 1 byte of memory. Short data type is a number data type. It occupies 2 bytes of memory. Integer data type is a number data. It occupies 4 bytes of memory. Long data type is a number data. It occupies 8 bytes of memory. Float data type is a float number data. It occupies 4 bytes of memory. Double data type is a float number data. It occupies 8 bytes of memory. Character data type is a character. It occupies 2 bytes of memory. Boolean is a data type. It represents either true or false. It occupies 1 byte of memory. Second data type of Java is a non-primitive data. Non-primitive data types are called reference types because they refer to objects. The main difference between primitive and non-primitive data types are non-primitive data types can be used to call methods to perform certain operations, while primitive types cannot. A primitive type has always a value, while non-primitive types can be null. A primitive type starts with lowercase letters, where non-primitive data type starts with uppercase letters. The size of primitive type depends on the data type, while non-primitive data types have all the same size. Examples of non-primitive data types are strings, arrays, classes, interfaces, etc. The flowchart of non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data types refers to objects and hence they are called reference types. Examples of non-primitive type includes strings, arrays, classes, interfaces. First one, strings. String is a sequence of characters, but in Java, string is an object that represents sequence of characters. Array is a homogeneous elements. Array stores one or more values, a specific data type and provide indexed access to store the same. Third one, classes. A class in Java is a blueprint which includes all your data. A class contains variables and methods to describe the behavior of object. Next one, interface. Like a class, an interface can have methods and variables, but the methods declared in interface are by default abstract, only method signature. It has no body. Summary. Today we learn data types, meaning of data type and different types of primitive data types. Next, non-primitive data types. The definition is it specifies size and values. Every data type specifies data and values that can be stored in the variable. Primitive data contains Boolean, character data, byte data, short data, integer data, long data, float data, and double. Non-primitive data type, it contains strings, arrays, classes, and interface. Thank you, students. If any student have doubts, please contact me.